Hi, this is as you watching Mr. Arts channel on YouTube. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add lion emoji in our HTML web page. So as you can see, this emoji, the emoji of a lion. So let's code for this emoji in our HTML. So we are going for this. Here you can see we are starting our HTML tag, we are starting our style tag, and next in the body we are using font size 75 px. You can also change it and we're gonna change it later. And we are closing this bracket. So this body in the style has completed and we are closing our style tag. Next in the body we are using span style font size 300 px, and these are the numbers you are seeing for the lion emoji. If you have to add lion in your HTML web page, you have to use these numbers, and these numbers will be with and or hashtag. Okay, next in the paragraph we are writing our first emoji, in the next we are writing our second emoji, and this was the third emoji which will show bigger on the upper side. Next we are closing our body tag, and next HTML ending tag. So I am copying this whole code. I'm gonna save it in the notepad. Save it. .html. So here you can see the difference between the lower two line heads and the upper line heads is so much. So we are making the lower to the some bigger. 100, saving it and refresh it. Here you can see we are changing it to 300. Let's see, now we can see some bigger changing. Oh my goodness, yes, you can see here. So gonna see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.